Ever pondered on how YouTubers rake in cash, making a living from creating and posting videos? Well, the secret's out, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of YouTube revenue generation. First things first, it's important to understand that YouTube isn't just a platform for sharing videos. It's a full-blown earning avenue. From popular YouTubers like Mrbeast to smaller channels, all have the potential to turn their creativity into cash. So, how does this magic happen? Well, the first step is to create and grow a YouTube channel. This might sound obvious, but it's crucial to have a solid foundation. Choose a niche you're passionate about, create engaging content, and build an audience that loves what you do. Next on the agenda, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. This program is the golden ticket to monetization on YouTube. It unlocks features like ad revenue, channel memberships, and the ability to sell merchandise. However, there's a catch. You need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months to apply. Once you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, you can start earning from ads. Advertisers pay to have their ads shown on your videos, and you get a share of that revenue. There are various types of ads, each with its own earning potential, so it's worth exploring all options. But ads aren't the only way to make money on YouTube. Channel memberships are another lucrative feature. Your fans can pay a monthly fee for special perks like badges, new emojis, and exclusive live chats. This provides a steady stream of income and strengthens your community. And then we have Merchandise Shelf, a feature that allows you to showcase your official branded merchandise right on your YouTube page. From t-shirts to mugs, you can sell it all, making a neat profit while also promoting your brand. Finally, there's the world of brand partnerships and sponsorships. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products, and having a successful YouTube channel puts you right in their sights. In summary, making money on YouTube is a multi-step process. It starts with creating and growing a channel, joining the YouTube Partner Program, and then monetizing through ads, channel memberships, merchandise sales, and brand partnerships. While it requires hard work and dedication, the potential for earnings is substantial. So, the next time you watch a video from your favorite YouTuber, remember, there's a lot going on behind the scenes. And who knows, maybe you'll be inspired to start your own YouTube journey and turn your passion into a paycheck. After all, the world of YouTube is vast, and there's room for everyone to shine.